Contour surveyors in Dadri, Noida, play a crucial role in the design and development of various construction projects. These professionals are responsible for conducting contour surveys to accurately determine the shape, elevation, and features of a piece of land. The data collected from these surveys is then used by architects and engineers to create detailed designs and plans for buildings, roads, and other infrastructure projects. With their expertise in using advanced surveying equipment and techniques, contour surveyors ensure that the final construction is aligned with the natural topography of the land, minimizing any potential risks or issues. Dadri, located in the Noida region, is a rapidly growing area with a significant number of construction projects taking place. As a result, the demand for contour surveyors in Dadri, Noida has increased significantly in recent years. These professionals are well-versed in conducting surveys in both urban and rural areas, adapting their techniques to the specific requirements of each project. They possess a deep understanding of local regulations and zoning laws, ensuring that all surveys are conducted in compliance with the necessary guidelines. One reputable firm that specializes in contour surveying in Dadri, Noida, is SCON Design. SCON Design is renowned for its expertise in providing accurate and reliable contour surveys for a wide range of projects. Their team of experienced surveyors utilizes state-of-the-art equipment such as total stations and GPS devices to capture precise measurements and create detailed contour maps. SCON Design's contour surveyors in Dadri, Noida, are not only skilled in data collection but also possess a strong analytical ability. By considering factors such as soil composition, water flow patterns, and existing vegetation, SCON Design's contour surveyors can optimize the design to minimize environmental impact and maximize the functionality of the site. To ensure the stability and safety of the structures being developed, geotechnical investigation services in Dadri, Noida, are crucial for any construction project. The study and analysis of the site's geological, geotechnical, and hydrological characteristics are part of these services. Engineers and designers can learn important details about the soil, rock, groundwater, and other subsurface conditions that could have an impact on the project by conducting comprehensive geotechnical studies. There are many development projects going on in Dadri, Noida, a neighborhood that is constantly developing. Developers, engineers, and architects greatly benefit from the geotechnical investigation services available in this area since they enable them to make knowledgeable decisions regarding the choice of a building site, the design of the foundation, and other construction-related considerations. To choose the proper foundation type, excavation techniques, and slope stability measures, it is essential to comprehend the features of the soil and rock formations. They provide thorough site investigations, including soil testing, rock testing, groundwater monitoring, and geophysical surveys, thanks to their knowledge and experience. Modern tools and methods are used to collect precise data on the subsurface conditions